All right, so about a week or 2 weeks ago, I bought the Bosch PS21-2A, which is a 12 volt hex cordless screwdriver. And then like 2 days after that, I got the Bosch Flexi Click, and that was $149. The other screwdriver was $69. And I don't know, I can't make up my mind. So what I have in this box, I think I have in here, I have the M12 fuel 4-in-1 installation driver, which is very similar to the Bosch Flexi Click, which is also brushless. So the price for this one, $229, but also it came with the free ratchet, and supposedly there's a so-called hack where you can return the ratchet and get 90 some odd dollars back. So this would technically be a little cheaper than the Bosch Flexi Click. And there's something with that Flexi Click I really don't like, but we'll talk about that another day. Just getting this thing open today and getting my first impressions of it. I'll be returning quite a few tools here. Just can't make up my mind. So I'll pause the video and just take this out of here real quick. All right, so here it is. Not sure where the ratchet is though. There's supposed to be a ratchet coming with this. Maybe that's coming in a different box. I don't know, but so this is 300 inch-pounds, 1,600 RPM, and the same thing. It has the 4 attachment heads, and then also you can use it without the head attached. So also I like the way this one, the heads attach. I like the way that this attaches better, at least based on videos that I've seen. So I'll be comparing those in an upcoming video here. Let's get this open. Actually, I'll pause the video and get this out of here. So this case is a bit larger than the one that comes with the Bosch. So I like that better already. Also, this has a compartment for each of the attachments, so that is an improvement as well. And each of these accessories have Velcro. Not really accessories, but the batteries, the unit, and then the charger. This charger is quite a bit larger though. But anyway, let's just take this out of here and throw it in the tool here. I'm going to be able to break plastic open with my hands, but it's a little chilly out here in the workshop. One of these days I might heat it up, or get a heater installed in here. So the weight on this is supposed to be, I think it's 2.2 pounds, and then the length on it is 5.12 inches. I don't know if that was on the box or not. Anyway, I read that somewhere. So the batteries for this one are backwards from the Bosch. On the Bosch, the single cell is towards the rear, and then the 2 cells are towards the front. So the grips on both of these are kind of a little bit fatter than my preference. I don't know if I like the grip on this. Might get used to it though. It's locked out, I guess. That's the other thing too, is I've seen a lot of reviews, I watched a lot of videos, and a lot of people complain about this, and I don't think I like it either, but maybe I'll get used to it. I don't know. It's not too bad, I guess. Well, that sounded really weird. So there we are in drill mode, and then it has the clutch. This clutch is a lot easier to turn than the one on the Bosch as well, but it has this big old thing out here. That's magnets for putting your bits on. It has a clip. Another complaint I saw about this is it's supposed to tip over really easily. Anyway, let me throw some of these on here, and I'll just do this one and see how I like the attachment method compared to the Flexi Click. This drill chuck feels nice. Metal construction. That was easy enough. So the clutch is working right now. I saw some videos of folks using it like this, but that seems kind of weird to me. I don't know. I don't know if I like this grip. It feels really weird. But anyway, I think, you know what, I'll open up the rest of these. Let me pause the video, I'll get the rest of these open, and we'll throw them on real quick. Alright, so here we have the offset, which is one of the main reasons why I'm buying this. I had a while ago installed some little angle brackets on some shelving units, and it's really quite a pain to get them in there because they're only about that tall, and you had to be right up against the top of the shelf to screw that angle bracket in. Yeah, that's a lot more convenient. The Flexi Click, you have to rotate a locking piece and then pull it off. Yeah, that's pretty simple. On and off real easy there. No, this is essentially the same as this, but this is going to retain the bit magnetically, and then this one has a collet on it. And this is pull to release. Actually, let me grab a bit here. Might be committing some kind of sin here with Ryobi and Milwaukee. I don't know. It's got a good amount of retention there. One complaint about this offset, it doesn't have a collet on it. It's just held in magnetically. The Flexi Click has a collet, but it's got a good amount of force to it there. didn't do something right there. There we go. Now it's secured. Yeah, it says Milwaukee on there. So I want to see if I can just push the bit in without having to pull the collet, and I can. So that's very nice. I'm not used to having that feature on my Ryobi impact driver. Let me put the angle attachment on, and we'll close out the video here. So you can change the orientation of this angle adapter on here. So you can have it facing straight up. Should be able to pull this and rotate it. Maybe not, just have to pull it all the way out. Okay, there we go. Yeah, so that's not too bad. That's pretty simple to get in there like that. Then you can put any other attachment on this one, any of these other three here. So let's just throw the 3/8 drill chuck on here. So there we go. This will take some getting used to though, with this stupid button on here instead of having the toggle switch on the side. Alright, that will conclude the video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.